That's yes. So.
Well, there's a swanky new restaurant opening up today. It's Providence, located downtown at the Hilton President Hotel.
Yes, yours truly. I got the chance to preview the restaurant. It's very glam. It's very upscale with kind of a divine new menu. Starters to sandwiches to steaks, and believe me, it is a carnivore's dream restaurant, yes.
There you're eating.
There I am eating.
Shocker.
Go figure. Yes, shocker. And it has some of the most creative adult beverages that I have seen in Kansas City. So needless to say, I am going to be going there for libations and the amazing cuisine, but mostly the libations. So
what'd you think of the decor, the feel, the vibe?
You know, it was warm, it was inviting, but the bar had that sort of old school charm that I like. It's sort of reminiscent of a supper club, very vintage. You know, where it's like dark but not too dark, and so you could take a date there for a little romance, or you could take the CEO there, you know, for boys' night out if you got a
or girls' night out.
Girls' night out, yes, night out.
Night out for girls and boys.
Yes, exactly.
Well, it's Thursday.